Losing hair is like a nightmare for every man. Earlier, baldness was associated with old age, but nowadays, even young people are affected by it. Bad lifestyle choices, lack of proper nutrition, and stress bring this problem in an earlier age. Usually, this is most common in males, but a small population of women also deals with this hair issue. So, how can you deal with this embarrassing problem? Watch the full video to find out more about the effective home remedies. Today, we will share 4 super effective oils for baldness cure in just 2 weeks. Stay with us. Male pattern baldness reversal naturally in 2 weeks. 1. Pumpkin seed oil. Pumpkin seed oil has been tested and proved to work for treating male pattern baldness or androgenetic alopecia. It is rich in carotenes, tocopherols, and other beneficial nutrients that play an important role in reversing alopecia. Mix 1 teaspoon of pumpkin seed oil and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Apply the blend on the scalp and massage thoroughly. Leave it on overnight. Apply this oil mixture 3 times a week. 2. Garlic oil. In a 2007 study, dermatological researchers found that applying garlic oil to areas that have experienced hair loss lead to more hairy growth than using a placebo treatment, and works to strengthen any existing hair it comes into contact with. Applying garlic oil 3 times a week could be an excellent home remedy to stop hair fall immediately. 3. Castor oil. Castor oil contains nourishing fats and alpha tocopherol that keep the scalp rejuvenated and hydrated. This, in turn, helps to strengthen the hair follicles and stimulate hair growth. Take 1 tablespoon castor oil and 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil. Lightly warm up the oil, and massage it thoroughly to your scalp. Leave it on overnight. Repeat this 3 to 4 times in a week. 4. Safflower oil. Alongside rosemary and jojoba oil, safflower oil strengthens dried follicles and fights dandruff. It will nourish your scalp by deeply penetrating follicles and strengthening cells from within. To use, simply massage safflower oil along your scalp 3 to 4 times in a week. You'll notice a significant improvement of hair growth and shine immediately. Hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to share your feedback with us in the comment section below.